Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is open and safe. ये आर्टिकल आपका काफ़ी अच्छा आर्टिकल है। ओपन एंड सेफ किस बारे में बोला गया है? इन्वायरमेंट के बारे में। देखो, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी इज राइट अबाउट लॉकडाउन। प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने बोला है कि राइट लॉकडाउन आपका, बट द वैक्सीनेशन पॉलिसी नीड रिफॉर्म्स। लॉकडाउन लगाइए, लेकिन आप वहाँ पे लगाइए जहाँ बिल्कुल ही मतलब लास्ट ही आपके पास ऑप्शन हो। उसी के रिगार्डिंग ये आपका आर्टिकल है। हमारी जो इकोनॉमी हमें नीचे डाउन नहीं जाने चाहिए, उसी के रिगार्डिंग आपका आर्टिकल है। चलिए हम डिस्कस करते हैं। आर्टिकल 120 वर्ड पर मिनट्स इस आर्टिकल का डिक्टेशन किया जाएगा। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। If the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address to the country amid the raging storm of COVID-19 cases was intended as reassurance of the government's commitment to averting economic decline and ramping up health facilities, he provided little insight into specific measures. It should be evident from the pace of infection separate and the large number of deaths in several regions that the sensible course open to the center and state governments is to enable economic production and consumption while massively scaling up the health response. Mr. Modi, who advised states to treat lockdowns as a last resort, has virtually acknowledged with the benefit of hindsight that last year's measure dealt a severe blow to unorganized labor and the self-employed. The priority now is for the workforce to be vaccinated and containment measures against disease separate to be restricted to micro locations. Yet the crucial question is that the universalizing vaccinations for everyone about 18 years of age from May 1. The center's latest policy has effectively opened the flood gates to an unregulated system with market determined vaccine pricing rather than use monopolist power to procure all vaccines for price capped distribution extended the model that has been in place since March 1. The move has led to a 266% to 400% price increase for COVID shield for state governments and private hospitals respectively. Bharat Biotech has also hinted at the need to recover its investments in Covaxin through the price flexibility. Manufacturers should not be rushing to seek approval in those regions where the profits are the highest, leaving out the poorer territories. All vaccines need a suitable manufacturing base, but the government must ensure a good free peoples to vaccine for all. With 2,94,365 new cases and 2011 dead on just April 20, India is waging a war against the virus that calls for strong leadership, decentralization to allow states to take speedy action, and the effective use of regulatory authority. The Prime Minister is right to identify urban workers and labor as key coverage groups for vaccination with support from the center and states. Here, the union budget allocation of 35,000 crore for COVID-19 vaccines should be able to cover more categories this year, and the outlay can enhanced if necessary. Worldwide governments have made COVID-19 vaccination a fully state-funded effort. The case for free market pricing for vaccines on the ground that private enterprise is leading vaccine development is overstated. For AstraZeneca Covishield, the single biggest research funding component at over $38 million came from the British government, followed by overseas governments, universities and charities. What India needs is free universal vaccination modeled on the polio campaign. The center cannot abdicate that responsibility. Full stop. काफ़ी अच्छा आर्टिकल है गाइज, इसको आप रीडिंग कीजिए। रीडिंग करने के बाद इसको डिक्टेट भी कीजिएगा और इसको टाइप ज़रूर कीजिएगा। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगती है डिक्टेशन को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।